What is going on, you guys? Today we're doing a very fun experiment. So you guys have probably heard of the candy pop rocks. So pop rocks is basically a candy that goes into your mouth and creates a popping effect, you know? So what I want to test today is how does this candy react with Coke? So first I'm going to do with water, and then we're going to do a slow motion with Coke. So I have my Coke right here. As you can see, I have my different flavors of Pop Rocks. Now I probably bought way too many, but that is completely okay because we can do this test as many times as we like. So I want to explain basically what Pop Rocks is. So the candy is made by mixing ingredients and heating them until they melt into a syrup, then exposing the mixture to pressurized carbon dioxide gas. So that is what creates the popping effect when you put them in your mouth. So let's test this. So let's move all this to a side. Let's bring the bowl to the front. And let's start with the strawberry flavor. So right here, I'm gonna break it up and pour it into the bowl so you guys could see. So as you can see, it's like a pinkish flavor. Of course, it's strawberry. From first encounter, it looks pretty sticky. The smell is fairly strong, but we're here to test how it reacts. So let's put one of this. Let's get everything in there. Okay, let's put that to a side. Now we can put a little of the, what is this one? The bubble gum one. So let's put that in there. Shake that to the bottom. Let's mix that in there. So this one's more of like a whitish and pinkish color. So they have two colors in here actually, which is pretty insane. Let's get all that in there. And then let's get this cotton candy one right here. So in the comments below, let me know which one was your favorite if you ate this one growing up. So let me put that in there now. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's a mixture of colors as well. As you can see, one already popped right there. So yeah, we have that. So this is the bowl right here. As you can see, I'm gonna mix it around a bit. Let's get a little mixture going on. So there you go. So we're gonna start with the water actually. So I'm gonna do a slow motion of this clip as well. So let me change to that camera right now. So as you can hear, it's still sizzling because the candies are still popping. You know, just to show the effect a little bit more, let me add some more candy and some more water in there. Let me throw that in there. You can hear that. Throw some more water. They're still popping. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like kind of flying up, so that's very cool. It's very cool. So it's not gonna stop until it like dissolves in the water, and that's exactly what it does in your mouth. So as you can tell, after a little while, the colors are becoming very similar. It's become like most of the colors are becoming very red. So that is very cool. This is what happens inside of your mouth. That is completely insane. Just look at that. I don't want to get my camera too close because it's shooting up, but that's crazy. This happens inside your mouth, going into your stomach. Of course, nothing bad. It's just a candy, but of course, it's just crazy to see when a moisture mixes up with this candy, what happens. So now let's test what happens with the Coke. So now, what you're here for. So what we want to test for is the Coca-Cola and the Pop Rocks now. So let's open some and we'll mix some up. So I feel like I'm gonna put one more of each so we can like amplify the effect, you know, so you can hear it more. So let's just do that quickly. Okay, there we are. So now let's mix it up a little. Okay, so now let's put the Coke in. I'm excited to see how it reacts because of course it's gonna have an amplified effect with the Coke. The Coke is much stronger than water. It has of course gas and water doesn't have gas of course. So let's see what happens with that. That was pretty insane, guys. Did you see like a few of them shot pretty high up? It definitely touched my camera. So as you can see, there was definitely an amplified effect when we use the Coke. Of course, there's gas in Coke, which triggers the Pop Rocks to pop even harder, which is why they don't pop this hard in your mouth, because usually, okay, well, you can try drinking Coke with this while it's in your mouth, but usually your mouth is just moist. So it's pretty insane. Now I'll show you guys with a fast video now, just pouring some Coke. I don't know what the effect's gonna be right now. But as you can see, it still shoots pretty far away. It's going all over my desk, as you can see. Pretty insane. I mean, it makes sense because Coke sizzles itself, you know, it has so much gas. But yeah, that is pretty cool. So as you can see, the color is basically changing into a red again. So that is what's happening. And now I'm going to bring back the one with the water and we'll compare it side by side. So as we can see, this is the one with the water, this is the one with the Coke. This one's almost fully dissolved, as you can see. Just take a closer look right there. They're almost fully dissolved into the water, and this is what happens in your mouth. It's just like this. You know, these are hard to swallow because first they have to pop and then it's easy to swallow them. So this is basically what happens in your stomach. So that is very cool. Definitely wanted to share that with you guys. So yeah, guys, that is basically it for this video. Definitely let me know in the comment section below what other types of challenges and stuff or experiments you guys would like me to do in the future. I have some planned, so definitely more will be coming soon. And if you like this video, make sure to like the video, leave a positive comment down below, leave some feedback. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.